Did you know that this simple golden spice found in many kitchens around the world may help support digestion, immunity, and overall wellness? Today, we are taking a closer look at turmeric and some of the amazing health benefits associated with it. For thousands of years, turmeric has been used mainly in India. But nowadays, turmeric is cultivated in many tropical regions of the world, including Bangladesh, China, and parts of Africa. Turmeric is not just a spice, it is actually the dried and ground rhizome of the turmeric plant, a plant from the ginger family. Its bright yellow color comes from a natural compound called curcumin. This is how the turmeric plant looks like in its natural form. The root grows on the ground and is harvested, cleaned, and processed into turmeric powder, the one we commonly use today. You can already notice its rich golden yellow color. That color comes from a natural compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of turmeric's well-known properties. Now, let's look at some of the health benefits associated with turmeric. One of the most talked about benefits of turmeric is its anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help support the body's natural response to inflammation. Turmeric is also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and support overall wellness. Another reason many people include turmeric in their meals and drinks is because it may help support healthy digestion. It is commonly used in warm drinks and soups. Turmeric is also popular for immune support, especially when combined with ginger, lemon, or honey. Some research also suggests that turmeric may help support brain and cognitive function, as curcumin has been studied for its potential role in supporting memory and overall brain wellness. Additionally, turmeric may help support heart health by contributing to the healthy circulation and overall cardiovascular wellness when included as part of a balanced diet. While turmeric may offer several health benefits, it is important to remember that it is not a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. This is knowledge gotten from research. I am not a doctor or a nutritionist. All the information shared here is from the research I made. Turmeric should be enjoyed as part of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Turmeric is a spice, but like all spices, the right amount can go a long way to do wonders in your body, but too much can mess up your system, so don't overconsume it. Mix it right for better absorption. Curcumin doesn't dissolve in water. It doesn't absorb very well in our body. That is why the turmeric water you consume daily is a waste, because we don't absorb anything from it. Curcumin needs assistance to get absorbed into our bodies, and here are some ways to do that. The first method is consuming it with healthy fats. Curcumin is fat soluble, meaning it dissolves better in fat than in water. Adding turmeric to a healthy source of fat can improve absorption. This is how I make my turmeric milk. Heat up some milk and add about half a teaspoon of turmeric to it. Allow it to get cold. I also like to add a teaspoon of honey to the milk. The fat in the milk will help to absorb the curcumin. The second method is by cooking. Research shows that cooking turmeric in a source of fat like oil or butter boosts its antioxidant properties. So, adding a teaspoon of turmeric and cooking for 3 to 5 minutes in your meals is a better approach. The third method is combining turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can greatly increase the body's ability to absorb curcumin. So add a pinch of black pepper when using turmeric. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.